Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming measurements and tools. Make sure the Kurti is on a flat surface. Measure from shoulder or side seam to bust apex, then mark the center of the dart and the dart legs with a ruler. Once marked, draw the stitch line and a triangle showing the dart intake. This guides how much fabric will fold. Pin the fabric at the apex to prevent shifting so your first seam will hit the intended point precisely. You fold the fabric so the two dart legs meet exactly, aligning the marks. This creates the wedge of fabric. You carefully trim the seam allowance to reduce bulk, keeping about 0.5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.